Welcome to this introductory course on Tableau. My name is Adrian, I'm a content developer here at DataCamp, and I will be your instructor for the first chapter. Tableau is a powerful and fast-growing data visualization tool. It seamlessly creates background SQL queries called vSQL as you intuitively click, drag, and drop data elements to explore and interrogate your data. It makes it easy to build beautiful, interactive visualizations from raw data. Let's use an analogy to really understand the value of Tableau. Remember traditional photography? Taking pictures with film has a cost. The cost of the film, the development process, and the storage of physical images. This affected the way we took photos. We had to carefully plan our photos and could be disappointed after collecting them, having waited a week for them to be created by a specialist. And what of the world of digital photography? We don't have to worry about storage much. There is little risk associated with taking photos that don't turn out to be any good. It's nearly cost-free, and we can improve the quality of our output by trying the same thing many times. Tableau is the data analysis equivalent of digital photography. While Tableau is designed to be used by a range of business users and non-technical audiences, it also provides access to a deep computational ability for advanced data analytics. It's flexible because you can easily work with a lot of different data sources. Tableau is quite intuitive. Visual cues and icons make the interface easier to navigate. Also, the drag-and-drop interface makes prototyping very fast. You can build dashboards in hours or days instead of weeks. Visual cues and drag-and-drop will be the topic of the next lesson. Overall, Tableau is great because you can frame the business question you want to answer, import and clean data, analyze and visualize data, make business decisions, and finally present insights all within one tool. For example, you can build a dashboard to monitor your sales performance over time and locations. Tableau is also a fantastic tool to present the results of your competitive analysis. Tableau can also be used to track outbreaks and epidemics progression, like the coronavirus. Factual data is convincing, and visualization is an incredibly efficient way to get your point across. So Tableau can be an appropriate tool in a wide variety of circumstances. Tableau enables anyone to ask questions about their data. If you search for Tableau on job boards, the most common job titles you'll see are variants of data analyst, business analyst, and quantitative analyst. Basically, anyone who wants to visualize data on a daily basis can benefit from using Tableau. Organizations across the world and in various industries are using visualization and reporting through Tableau. On the slide, you can see some companies that use the software. Tableau alone has a market share of about 14.2% in the business intelligence category, making it the most popular BI tool among the others. Tableau Public is essentially a free version of Tableau. It has most of the software features. You can create visualizations and connect to data like CSV, Excel, and text files. However, you can't save your workbook locally and can't load more than 15 million rows. Your worksheets are stored publicly on Tableau's gallery, so using Tableau Public with sensitive data is definitely not recommended. The professional version requires a license, and you can create visualizations, connect to all data sources, save your work locally, and add an unlimited amount of data. In this course, we will be using Tableau Public. Got it? Let's see how well you know Tableau.